everyone, it's me Kris from Sew Me Crispy, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to have a unboxing for the Sew Steady portable sewing table. Yes, I purchased this for my birthday, and if you follow me on Instagram at sewmecrispy.com, then you know I posted like a, hey, anybody got this? What's your reviews? And many people said they wanted it but didn't own it. So I thought this would be a cool thing to do, to unbox and give my reviews on it. If you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. And as always, please like and comment on this video. So before we get into the unboxing, let me know what you sewing. Yeah, that's my new question. In the comment section below, what's on your craft table, what's on your sewing table, and what's hottest make you're doing right now. So come along and let's unbox this table. So this is the box that it came in. I already cut the tape so it could come out a little easier. But then now you have to cut the plastic straps to keep it in place in order to open it up. Once I opened up the cardboard, it came in a protective plastic covering, and there was more tape. So that's what you see me struggling with. In this was our instructions and the stuff that you're going to need to put your table together. I think it had about 5 or 6 pieces. And here I am taking it out of the plastic covering and flipping it down. On the instruction piece, it said you should lay it on a cloth, and that's why you see I put my measuring table. It had about 4 or 5 of the tables of the stands, and then one had a suction top on it. The directions call for your table to be 1/4 shorter than your sewing machine. So once I put it together, I will then adjust it. So right here, I just have all my pieces out. Now I'm going to move them on to the side. And then to install, you place the table upside down on a firm surface, and then you protect it with the soft towel, as I said. But my cutting board, as you can see, I'm over here struggling, trying to get it in, and I'm like trying to figure this out, but it doesn't seem to be working. And I almost gave up, but then I went to go read the handy dandy instructions. You should always read them. Yeah, I had to go back and reread the directions, and I discovered there are 2 types. One has a hollow inside, and then one's a little thicker. So here, now that I finally got the correct table legs, I'm in here struggling. I didn't want to press too hard because I didn't want to crack my table, but you do have to apply a little bit of pressure. It isn't like so you can screw in. You really have to press it down into the buttons attached to the table. So that's what you see me doing here, and I was able to get them all in. As you can see, I'm going to leave one open, and that's for the suction leg, and that helps you stabilize your table stabilize your machine to the table. Yeah, I had to reread the directions because I couldn't find one of the legs, and then here you see. So once you put in all your legs, you also have the additional one, and that's me putting the suction into the leg that wasn't so hollow. I couldn't find the extra leg, so I had to go back and refer to my instructions, and I realized that I think I couldn't find one of the legs or whatever. So there you see me doing it. I'm about to use the suction in the middle, but as you put your table together, you can move that suction leg around in order to balance out your table. So here it is. This is my table attached to my machine. I moved it around, and then as you can see, it's pretty flush with my table as far as like my sewing machine arm. You just adjust it to the height that you need it. I really like it. I probably have to do a review. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. See you later.